talks about a debate. He talks that Ms. Kiran Bedi should debate with Kejriwal. The repetition of the same story is happening. Delhi is again witnessing nothing other than drama. Here is a political party which stands for 3D. It stands for drama, it stands for dharna, it stands for debate. And we are a political party, we also stand for 3Ds. We stand for development, we stand for democracy, we stand for delivery. Now let the people of Delhi decide what is more important. A mere dramatic debate or a democratic debate on the floor of assembly as said by the Chief Minister candidate of Delhi, Kiran Bedi ji. Let the people of Delhi and India decide what is more important. Mere debates over 2-year period or delivery. Today, D for Delhi again has been bled. For last 1.5 years, Delhi is bleeding. There is a lot of drama on the Delhi political scenario. There is no delivery. Finally, what we really want is a stable government in Delhi Assembly, a government which delivers. What is Aam Aadmi Party all about? The AAP stands for all about publicity. AAP is all about publicity. And finally, when they are running out of oxygen, they want that they should get some kind of publicity in the name of Kiran Bedi's debate. This debate is nothing but a gimmick to gain some cheap publicity. If you want to debate, then debate on the floor of the assembly. Why did you not debate then when you had the opportunity of debating? Then you wanted to become the Prime Minister. Then you ran away from the debate on the floor of the assembly where the debate should have taken place, where you would have delivered. You did not. So we can rightly point out that the Aam Aadmi Party does not believe in democratic debates. It believes in anarchical debates. In debates where they have no issues, where they have only drama to deliver. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal today pointed a finger towards Kiran Bedi, saying that she should unblock him from Twitter. A new game has begun. Twitter game. He is again standing exposed over here. Kiran Bedi ji had blocked Kejriwal long ago, more than a year ago. When Kejriwal ji said that he is an anarchist, when he proclaimed himself as an anarchist, that was the time when Kiran Bedi ji had blocked him, stating that I don't want to have any relationship whatsoever, even on Twitter, with an anarchist. I am the defender of democracy. I'm an administrator. So what relation is between an administrator and an anarchist? And that is the reason as to why Mr. Kejriwal was blocked then. If Mr. Kejriwal wanted to resume the relationship, he should have approached Ms. Bedi then. Why today? Today, only because of the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party resorts only to drama. This battle in Delhi is between an iron lady and an I-run man. I-R-U-N, run man. A man who has constantly been on run. From Chief Minister to Prime Minister, from Prime Minister to Chief Minister, from Delhi to Varanasi, Varanasi to Delhi, from Yamuna to Ganga, from Ganga to Yamuna. But people of Delhi will not allow the one who drowned in Ganga to resurface in Yamuna. Let me remind you of the fact, when Kejriwal left Delhi in a train, he went on a train to Varanasi. He built a hut on the banks of River Ganga. And you would remember, my friends from media had covered it, you would all remember. There he said, I am going to stay here. I am going to stay here in the hut and fulfill all the demands of the people of Varanasi. He may have lost the election in Varanasi, but the one who is committed towards a cause, the one who is committed towards country, the one who stands by his ideology should have stayed back in the hut and should have served the people of Banaras. But you want to come back to Delhi only because it is your ambition which needs to be fulfilled. It is not your cause. So this battle is a battle between cause and ambition. This battle is a battle between Iron Lady and I-run man. A man who is constantly run. This battle in Delhi is a battle between administration versus anarchy. This battle in Delhi is a battle between drama versus development, and we all know in Delhi who is going to win. Development is going to defeat drama. Anarchy is going to be defeated by administration. Iron Lady is going to run over the Iron Man. And this is what is going to change the destiny of Delhi. The one who deserves a D again, the one who deserves, will debate on the floor of a democratically elected assembly.
अपने प्रधानमंत्री जी श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की इंस्पिरेशनल लीडरशिप की वजह से यहाँ हूँ। मैं ये अगर आज मैं आपके बीच में आई हूँ, एक मेरे हृदय परिवर्तन नहीं, दिमागी परिवर्तन हुआ है।